Okay, now that I installed my pixel above the close of the body on my website or in the head, I now should start seeing stats come in. If you've waited an hour, you should start seeing some stats come into your marketing dashboard. Now you can configure more detailed reports by clicking on this button here or going under Activity Box and going to Web. So when you go into this tab here, you now have the option of creating a more detailed report by clicking Create Report. You can name this whatever you want. This is just internal name, so let's just call this our weekly report. We're going to choose a type. It can be daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or you can do a custom range. In this case, I'm just going to set up as weekly. That way when I come in, I'm always seeing the latest up-to-date weekly report. I don't have to create another report. This is just my weekly report. I'm going to also assign it to my workspace, Wayne Industries. Again, if you don't use workspaces, no need to worry about that. Hit create. And now when you go into your your actual report, it's going to break down all your stats. Now because I did weekly and I just installed this pixel, obviously I just have the first stat. But what you're going to see is a breakdown of your organic, your referral, your social, your direct. Then you can go specifically into your organic to see where this came in from. Did it come in from Google? Did it come in from Bing? You can also come in and check out your referrals and social. So each of those reports are visible to your pixel, and they'll continue to fill as the days go by that you have this pixel installed. You can also filter this report. So if you have multiple pixels inside of your workspace, you can filter within here, and it's just like a set report. Now if you created a date range report, so if you created a report here that had a custom range, one of your settings within the report, you can actually alter that custom range. So what I always suggest is like, okay, I want my weekly report, I want my daily report, I want my monthly and my yearly, and you can come in here and actually set up a custom range. And then those are the only reports you need to set up, unless you're setting up multiple ones based on workspaces or individual pixels and things like that. So in this case, now you have your report set up, and then on your dashboard as well, you have the option of changing out these predefined reports for the whole dashboard. So in this case, now that we're starting to have some data on the web traffic, I can filter between here, including custom ranges. So once you have your pixel installed, again, it takes about an hour for data to start coming in here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up ranking reports, so you can start getting this ranking data here to show up. Also, your social visit breakdown, this will show with your pixel as well. So these two are dependent on your data pixel, and first page rankings and things like that. I'm going to set up a report in the next video and show you how that works.